Welcome again to Happiness Online Math. We have another exponent question on the board. 8 raised to power x minus 1 equals 18. So let us solve for the value of x. Solution. So now what we need to do is to rewrite the left-hand side. So left-hand side now becomes 8 raised to power x divided by 8 raised to power 1 equals 18. So now we were able to do that from the formula. We know that a raised to power m minus n is equal to a raised to power m over a raised to power n. Okay, so now if we carry on, we have 8 raised to power x. We can cross multiply. This becomes times 1. And then we have 18 times 8. Now, what do we do here? We can supply log to both sides. So now we have log of 8 raised to power x equals log of 18 times 8. So this x comes to the back here. So we have x log 8 equals, right hand side becomes log of 18 plus log of 8, because we know that log of a dot b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Right. So moving on, we can divide both sides by log of 8 so that we can have x standing alone. So this becomes log of 8 divided by log of 8 equals log of 18 plus log of 8, all divided by log 8. Log 8 cancels out on the left hand side, and then the right hand side we can write as standalone fractions. Okay, so this becomes log 18 divided by log 8 plus log 8 divided by log 8. So now log 8 can cancel out and it becomes 1. So we have x equals log 18 divided by log 8 plus 1. So let us rewrite log 18. That's the same thing as log of 2 times 9. Okay, 2 times 9 divided by log of 8 plus 1. Now we have x equals log 2 plus log 9 divided by log 8 plus 1. Okay, so now here we have x equals log of 2 divided by log of 8 plus log of 9 divided by log of 8 plus 1. So x now is equal to, let's rewrite log of 8. We know that 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So this becomes log of 2 divided by log of 2 raised to power 3. 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So log of 3 raised to power 2 divided by log of 2 raised to power 3 plus 1. Okay, so our x now is equal to log of 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 divided by 3 log 2 plus 1. So Log 2 can cancel out. So we have 1 over 3 left, plus we have 2 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2 plus 1. Now we have a log formula that states that log of A over log of B is equal to log of A base B. So we're going to rewrite this in this format. So now we have x equals 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log of 3 base 2 plus 1. So let's see if we can add up anything. We have 1 over 3 and 1. So 1 plus 1 over 3 will give us 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. So the next thing we can do is we can factor out 2 over 3. So this becomes x equals 2 over 3 into, this becomes now 2 plus log 3 base 2. So now this is our final answer. So let's go ahead and verify this answer just to make sure that it's correct. So to verify, our question was 8 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 18. So wherever we find x, we'll put this value in there. Okay, so now if we rewrite this, we have 8 raised to the power x over 8 equals 18. Now our x is 2 over 3 raised to the power 2 plus log of 3 base 2. Okay, divided by 8, and let's see if it's going to be equal to 18 at the end of the day. So now this becomes 8 raised to the power 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 2 all divided by 8 equals 18. So 8 is the same thing. Oh, let's break this up first. So this is the same thing as 8 raised to the power 4 over 3 times 8 raised to the power 2/3 log 3 base 2 all divided by 8 equals 18. 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power 3 dot 4 over 3 2 raised to the power 3 dot 2 over 3 log 3 base 2 all divided by 8. Let's see if it's equal to 18. So 3 cancels out, 3 cancels out. So we have 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 2 log 3 base 2 over 8. See if it's equal to 18. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Dot, we know that A, okay, so let's rewrite this first. Let's rewrite this first. So this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power log of 3 squared 2 divided by 8 equals 18. So this is 16 times 2 raised to the power log of 3 squared is 9 base 2 over 18. Sorry, over 8 equals 18. Okay, now we know that A raised to the power log of BA is equal to B. So let's do that to this part of the equation. So it becomes 16 times 9 divided by 8. See if it's equal to 18. So 8 here is 1, 8 here is 2. 9 times 2 will give us 18, which is also equal to 18. So we see our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. So now this just simply means that the solution to the question which we got earlier, which is this, x equals 2 over 3 bracket 2 plus log 3 base 2, is the correct answer, the correct solution to this question. So if you enjoyed today's solution and you learned something new, make sure that you share this video to someone that you believe is going to be beneficial to, and also subscribe to the channel if you like the video, share it, put a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.